Hi Tim, do I need a pre-approval to start my home shopping? Yes you do. Hi friends, Tim here. I'm a licensed real estate broker here in Montreal. If you're not going to be buying your next home cash, you're going to need the help of a lender to buy your next dream home. Having that pre-approval is going to help eliminate a lot of the guesswork when it comes to how much you can afford. Without having a proper pre-approval, you're not going to be competitive in today's market. Nowadays, most offers are needed to be delivered to the seller with a pre-approval from a lender. In today's competitive market, shopping or looking to purchase a property without having a pre-approval is going to make your offer look a lot less attractive, no matter what the price is. Let's take a look at the steps that it'll take for you to get a pre-approval from a lender. The first thing you're going to need to do is call the mortgage provider that you would like to use. The second thing you're going to need to do is to answer the questions that the bank is going to ask you very truthfully. Reason being, they're able to look back and potentially see that credit card that you haven't paid off yet, bringing down your credit score. Next, the lender is going to want to see 2 pieces of ID. After that, they're going to want to see proof of employment. For this case study, we're going to look at people who are employed by businesses and not self-employed individuals. For self-employed individuals, we can make a full video just on that, as it's a lot more in-depth, let's say, when they want to look at your finances. The lender is going to ask you for proof of employment. This will be shown through a letter from your employer stating that you currently work for that business. As well, you're going to have to show the lender 2 of your last pay slips. The bank is going to want to see all of your expenses because at the end of the day, the bank wants to see what liquid cash you have left over after you've paid off all of your expenses. This being car, phone, and or any other credit cards that you need to pay off. Later on, they're going to dive a little bit deeper and make sure that you have sufficient funds to cover all the closing costs, that being notary, welcome taxes, and any other disbursements that need to be made. Another great reason to have a pre-approval is that when you do so, the bank will lock those specific rates for you for the next 60 to 130 days. But just remember, once those days are up and that time expires, you're going to have to be subject to the new mortgage rates that are available. And let's just say those rates are not going in a great direction. But make sure to do some of your own homework because right now the banks look at what you make and your expenses, but they don't plan for any of those fancy trips that you want to take. So they do not take that into consideration. If you want to go out for some big dinners, you want to go out on that nice vacation, then you might need to pull back on what the bank is actually pre-approving you for. So you have a little bit of extra money left in your account at the end of the year. Now let's just pretend you've been shopping around, you finally put an offer on a property and your offer got accepted. Congratulations, that doesn't happen all the time. With your accepted offer, your broker is now going to have to send all of the offer documentations, any amendments, the seller's declaration, the MLS listing, all to the bank, and then the bank will then approve you for that mortgage for your dream home. When the bank does the final approval, they're going to do a nice thorough check on all of your expenses. As long as nothing has changed, then guess what? Congratulations, you might now have your dream home. So to summarize, yes, you need to have a pre-approval to be competitive in today's market. I would like to take a moment and ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, as we're going to be bringing much more content to you in relation to properties and home management. Please share this video with all of your friends, especially those who are looking to purchase homes, as this information could be crucial to help them be more competitive in today's market. My email is in the description below. If you're looking for a good lender, or if you need help finding your next income property or dream home, please contact me. Bye now.